Hello friends, myself Yogita Jadhav, lecturer in physics from Kekewa Polytechnic Nashik. Welcome to video of magnetism. In this video, we will discuss about the content, that is introduction, magnetic field, magnetic lines of force. Let us see first what do you mean by magnetism. Magnetism is the property due to which it exerts a force that can attract or repel objects like magnetic material, which are iron, nickel, cobalt and steel, etc. Magnetism is the property of certain substances which pull closer or repel other objects made up of iron and its ore. This property we called as magnetism. The piece of iron or other material which has its component atom so ordered that material exhibit property of magnetism. That means that material attracts iron containing objects or align itself in external magnetic field. Such a material is called as magnet. Magnet does not attract stainless steel. It attracts only the material which is made up of iron, steel, nickel and cobalt, not stainless steel. For example, watch, spoon, screws which are made up of stainless steel was not attracted by magnet. There are different types of magnets. This figure shows different types of magnets such as bar magnet, cylindrical magnet, U-shaped magnet, horseshoe magnet, circular magnet, ring magnet, magnetic compass needle, etc. Let us see the properties of magnet. When we consider a magnet, then it having always two poles, north pole and south pole. Earth is also a magnet having two poles, north pole and south pole. When we consider the two like poles, suppose north pole and north pole, if we bring together, then they always repels each other. That means there is force of repulsion which exists between these two poles, that is like poles. Similarly, if we brought two south poles together, then they also shows repulsion. But if north pole is brought towards south pole, then they always attracts each other. That means there is force of attraction exists between two unlike poles. This figure also shows that like poles repel and unlike poles always attracts each other. When we consider a magnet, if the magnet is cut into two pieces, then we will find that two poles, north pole and south pole, appears in each of the piece. Here north pole in one piece appear, towards that another piece south pole is appeared. If we cut these two poles in two pieces into four pieces, again we observe the same thing. That means monopole does not exist. Magnet always having two poles, north pole and south pole. Even though if we cut the magnet in one atom, then it also behaves as a magnet with two poles, north pole as well as south pole. Here this figure shows magnetic field around a bar magnet with the help of iron fillings. Here picture is drawn which shows the magnetic field which is produced around the magnet. Now what is the magnetic field? It is nothing but the space around a magnet where magnetic force of attraction or repulsion present. Different fields such as magnetic field around a magnet, gravitational field around earth due to which objects are falling towards earth's surface, electric field around electric charge. Similarly, the space around a magnetic field magnet is called as magnetic field. In magnetic field, It is nothing but the area where an object experiences a force. That force may be force of attraction or force of repulsion. Magnetic field is strong near the magnet and it is weak in a region if we move away from the magnet. Magnetic field strength decreases as we move away from the magnet. Now, what is magnetic field lines, or that are also known as magnetic lines of force? It is nothing but the path along which a north pole will move in a magnetic field. Magnetic field can be visualized by magnetic lines of force. There are two methods or two ways in which we can draw the magnetic field around a magnet. First method, in which we use iron fillings, and in second method we use magnetic compass. Practically we can use both methods to draw the magnetic lines of force around a bar magnet. Now here, if we consider a bar magnet and if we drop iron fillings on that magnet, then let us observe that these iron fillings acts as tiny magnets and they align themselves in the direction of magnetic field around the magnet, and this is one of the method in which we can draw the magnetic lines of force. Another method in which we use magnetic compass. Suppose we consider a bar magnet and near that bar magnet if we place a magnetic needle, then it aligns itself such that its north pole is directed towards the south. Now if we mark the position of the south pole and if we bring the north pole at the position of south pole and if we move the magnetic needle continuously, then we will find that it traces some path just like this curve, and which gives the magnetic lines of force, that is starting from north pole to the south pole. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then you can share this video, like this video and give the comments in comment box. Subscribe it also. Thank you for watching and enjoy the learning.